Hello everyone, this is P.A. Tyagarajan from KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science, second BBA. Subject Essential of Interpersonal Skills. Topic Stress and Anger Management. Stress Management. Introduction. Stress management was developed and premised on the idea that stress is not a direct response to a stressor, stressor, but rather one's resources and ability to cope, meditate the stress response and are am- amenable to change, thus allowing stress to be controllable. Importance of managing stress. If you are living with high levels of stress, you are putting your entire well-being at risk. Stress wreaks havoc on your emotional equilibrium as well as your physical health. It narrows your ability to think clearly, function effectively, and enjoy life. It may seem like there's nothing you can do about stress. The bills won't stop coming. There will never be more hours in the day, and your work and family responsibility will always be demanding. Effective stress management helps you break the hold stress has on your life so you can be happier, healthier, and more productive. The ultimate goal is a balanced life with time for work, relationship, relaxation, and the resilience to hold up under pressure and meet. Tips for stress management. 1. Identify the sources of stress in your life. 2. Practice the 4 A's of stress management. 3. Get moving. 4. Connect to others. 5. Make time for fun and relaxation. 6. Managing Manage your time better. 7. Manage your time better. 8. Learn to relieve stress in the moment. Then, anger management. Introduction. Anger management involves learning to control one's reactions to another provoking situations, including emotional feelings and of anger, the physiological or chemical associated with anger, and the resulting anger behavior. Overcoming anger is about moving on from your past, no matter how difficult has been. Understanding anger anger is a normal health emotion, neither good nor bad. Like any emotion, it conveys a message telling you that a situation is upsetting, unjust, or threatening. If you knee jerk reaction to anger is to explode, however, the message never has a chance to be conveyed. So, while it's perfectly normal to feel anger when you are being mistreated or wronged, anger becomes a problem when you express it in a way that harms yourself or others. You might think that venting your anger is healthy, that the people around you are too sensitive, that your anger is justified, or that you need to show your fury to get respect. But the truth is that anger is much more likely to have a negative impact on the way people see you, impair your judgment, and get in the way of success. Tips of anger management. 1. Explore what's really behind your anger. 2. Behave Be aware of your anger warning signs. 3. Identify your triggers. 4. Learn ways to cool down quickly. 5. Find healthier ways to express your anger. 6. Stay calm by talking careful of yourself. 7. Use humor to relieve relative, relative tension. 8. Recognize if you need professional help. Thank you.